Well, Jamie, you're having me drive another beautiful vehicle today.
Yeah.
What are we driving?
Today we are in the 2024 Buick Enclave.
Let me just say, it is nice.
Yes,
Like,
it is.
so nice. Has the Enclave been out for a while?
It originally came out in 2008, and they didn't have this trim level in 2008. This actually came out in 22, I believe, when the Avenir was first introduced. #1 seller for Buick
wow.
for 4 years in a row. 7-passenger seating, so if you have a family, a large family, you've got plenty of room. Room for car seats.
Yes.
The actual seat behind me allows you to leave the car seat in place and still raise the seat forward for passengers to get into the rear of the vehicle without having to take the car seat out or work around it.
Sure. The color of this vehicle, stunning. What is it?
This one is rich garnet metallic, and so yeah, very, very, very burgundy, beautiful metallic-y color. And but there's other colors available in it too, and this just happened to be one that I picked out for you to drive today.
I noticed the backup mirror as well. It's a camera.
Yep, it is. It's a camera. So if you don't like it, you can turn it into just regular mirror mode. But there's actually a camera on the tailgate of the vehicle that lets you see what's behind you. But it kind of throws you off a little bit because if you have passengers in the back seat, you can't see them.
Took me a second. I was like, wait, what am I looking at? That's a camera. That's not a mirror. That's really cool. Sirius XM radio, 360L. Talk about those features.
Yeah, so the vehicle comes with Sirius XM radio, and the 360L is 10,000 hours of streaming. So you get that included with the vehicle when you purchase it, and then you can extend that beyond that. But if you like streaming radio, Pandora, things like that, it's already built into the vehicle when you buy it.
I always like to see how this vehicle compares to like other vehicles. What makes it better?
Well, there's several vehicles in this class, a segment of vehicle in the SUV crossover. Volvo has the XC90, Infiniti has the Q60, and Acura has the MDX. So that's the classification that this vehicle competes with. So you get the advantage of the same classification of vehicle by paying less money for it. This vehicle is great for long road trips because most vehicles this size have a 18-gallon fuel tank. This one has a 22-gallon fuel tank. You can expect gas mileage, around 25 miles per gallon, where the other competitors are in the 21 mile per gallon range. So,
what engines are offered for this model?
So this vehicle comes with a 3.6 liter engine, and that's standard on all the Enclave line. And that engine has been out for many years. That engine dates way back in several vehicles on the GM platform.
Is there a keypad option available for
Yes,
this?
there is. So for, I think it's like $250 through the GM accessory program, you can get the keypad, which is just a little number touchpad that goes on the outside of the vehicle. So you're going to the beach, you don't want to take a chance on losing those keys, or going for a hike or a jog and you don't want to lose, trying to figure out where to hide the key. You can just lock it in the vehicle and unlock it when you get back.
So nice. Is this particular model offered in different trims at all?
There are 3 different trim levels in the Enclave, Avenir being the top of the line trim.
What's the price range look like for this vehicle?
Well, this vehicle is completely, I guess we would say fully loaded.
Yeah.
So this vehicle actually has a $60,000 MSRP, which is the top for the Enclave model. So again, if you step down in trim levels, obviously the price would drop. Maybe you get less equipment. Maybe you don't need everything that this vehicle has. Again, the MSRP would go down.
Is there a warranty offered with this?
Oh yeah, GM standard 36 bumper to bumper, and then 5 years and 60,000 miles on the drivetrain.
Okay, where can folks come and drive one?
They can come to Guadney Buick GMC next to Sam's Club in North Little Rock.
Well, Jamie, this has been such a treat to drive.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for letting me do this.
Excellent.
I really appreciate it. And we'll have more Good Morning Arkansas after the break.